Hello users. In today's video, we will see how to add a member in a group book. To add a member in group book, you can tap on this icon of group book in the top and I'll click on add member. I'll just add the number. You can also add the member from your contact list if you have, but I would like to add the number here. The Cashbook app will verify if the user is already being using the Cashbook app. So as you can see, this number is already there on the Cashbook. Now it is giving me the option to choose whether I want to give him the rights of a data operator, the rights of a viewer, or the rights of admin. So I would like to give him the rights of a viewer. I just want him to see my entry. He cannot make any changes and I will add him. And now you can see this member has been added as a viewer in this group book. And if you want to remove the member, you just need to tap on these three dots and click on remove. We'll end this video here. Thank you.